Hello, this is Yingqi Huang. I'm doing the homework 6, problem 1. In this problem, first it requires us to find A so that the fxy is a valid joint density function. So we should do this from -1 to 1 and from -1 to 1. Dx dy equals to 1, so we can easily get that a equals to 4. And the question 2 is to show whether x and y are uncorrelated. That is, we want to compare whether exy equals to ex and multiply ey. So we need to calculate ex and ey and exy. And we have the formula there. So ex equals to fx dx. So we need to calculate fx first. And this one equals to -1, 1, 4, 1 dy. And after we calculate this, we can put it into this formula, and we can get that ex equals to this one, and finally it equals to 0. So then we can calculate exy. Exy, we have the formula there. So we put -1, 1 into the formula, and after the calculation, we can get that exy equals to 1/9. So exy doesn't equal to ex multiply ey. So we get the conclusion that xy are not uncorrelated. As we have this, if xy are independent, we can get the conclusion that xy are uncorrelated. So if xy are not uncorrelated, we can get the conclusion that xy are not independent. And question 4, find the joint density function of x squared and y squared. So we can let z equals to x squared and w equals to y squared, and we can calculate j equals to 2 multiply x and 0 and 0 to multiply y, and this equals to 4xy. And we have the formula that fzw equals to the fx xy. Oh no, sorry, zw over j. So we can get that when z is larger or equal to 0 and less than or equal to 1, and when w is larger than or equals to 0 and less than 1, there are 4 roots. So there are 4 parts. We should add them up. And when the first is that sqrt z and sqrt w, and this one's minus and minus z minus w, and minus z and minus w, sqrt z and sqrt w. And if we calculate this, we will get this answer. So we can get the conclusion that fzw equals to this one. And the last question is to prove or disprove that x squared and y squared are independent. So s squared equals to z and y squared equals to w, which means we need to to show z and w are dependent or independent. And we can calculate fz as so this one is fzw, and after the integration we will get fz equals this one and fw equals this one. So we can see that fz multiply fw equals to fzw. So we can see that f and w are independent, so that x square root and y square root are independent. Thank you.